Today I'm going to show you how to add links to your stories directly from the Facebook app, and then my favorite links to actually add when it comes to business. My name is Stephanie Parisi, and I love helping small business owners grow their influence and profits online using marketing strategies that actually work. And I'm also the leader of the Parisi Pack, which is a marketing membership for entrepreneurs, and Story Insiders, where you can learn how to create stories that sell. Let's jump into this tutorial.
Okay, so we are going to pop open Facebook and then hit the blue Create Story button. And it's pretty simple to insert a link. So I'm just going to grab a picture here and zoom it out of the way so we can see the menu here. All you're going to do to insert a link, if you've put your profile on professional mode, you should have this option. It may take a couple days to pop up. So if you haven't checked out this video on how to turn on professional mode on Facebook for your profile and the benefits as to why, one of them being adding a link to your stories, go for it. So by clicking that See More button, you can see the link option pops up. You can hit it, and then here's where Facebook is going to let you insert a link straight from the Facebook app into your story. And you're going to see, I'm just going to type this in here and then space it added. Okay, so here we have it. Then you can see when this option pops up where it says visit link and it's turned blue. Look, see if I add a space, you can't do it. You can't add it. But if it's a working link, you're going to see if you click the button visit link, it's going to take you straight to the link you're trying to insert. Okay. So I highly recommend testing out that visit link button when you're adding a link to your stories. And then all you're going to do is click the add button. And you may be like, Steph, I don't see any link here. Where did it go? Well, if you click the see more button again, you're going to see that the link button is highlighted with a little white circle. So if we click on that, boop, we can see, oh, here's the current link added to the bottom of your story. Okay. And if you want to remove it, you would just click the remove button. So there's how to add a link to your stories. Now let's talk about my favorite business ideas of how to add links, right? Because honestly, I don't really think that you should just add a link to a product you sell, unless maybe it's like, especially if you're in network marketing, I wouldn't add a link straight to just the product unless it's like a sale weekend or something. You could, but let's get more creative than that. Let's be more helpful. Let's practice attraction marketing. Okay. If you don't know what attraction marketing is, check out this video that pops up. So one of the first things that I absolutely love is, what if you run your business in a Facebook group? Okay, so here I have a story that is all about stories, right? I always am talking about social media marketing stories. Okay, now, so I'm going to take this video, I'm going to size it down a little bit, okay, and then I am going to add a link to this story, okay? So I'm going to add a link that leads people right to my Facebook group called Create Stories That Sell. And if you're not a part of it, I'd highly recommend hopping in. We talk stories all the time. And then I can click visit link. Oh, look, Facebook's popping it up right away. I'm part of this group, so I can see inside of it. I have giveaways going on right now, all that jazz. But if someone's not in the group, it's going to ask them if they want to join the group. So I'm going to click add to that, okay? And then I am just going to say, for more marketing with an arrow down, we'll change. And so then I could click share to story, okay? And that is a great way. I'm helping people with their stories, okay? So you're just going to click the blue share to story button. Okay, let's talk another idea of what you could share. Another option is simply, if you have a Facebook group, you could simply grab a screenshot of it, like I have a screenshot of mine here, and I could write something about the group and what's going on inside of it. I could insert my avatar. I could insert other pictures into this. I have YouTube tutorials on how to do those things. So check out these videos that are popping up if you need help. So here's my group. I also have YouTube videos on Facebook group marketing, everything Facebook group, and the membership questions that you should ask for people who join your group. So check out these videos that are popping up as well. And then again, I could simply add my Facebook group link to this. I would write something here though on this story. Let's keep going and talking about other ideas when it comes to adding links to your stories. One of my favorite ideas is if you are doing some sort of giveaway post. So let me grab this. I'm going to use this black as a background. So I have a nice background, and then grab this. Okay. Now you can share a post directly to your stories, right? And then people have to click the link to go to it. But the difference is you have no idea who's clicking the link. Okay, one of the benefits of when you use this Facebook link button is Facebook is going to give you insight into if someone actually clicks the link. Okay, they're going to let you know. So if you do like a giveaway, like right now I have a giveaway going on, and so I could write enter the giveaway and put an arrow, and then I could say what they're getting. So for this one, it's story cheat sheets, hacks, content ideas, and then you could just pop open and paste in the link that you want. Okay, so let's do that. Link, paste that in, we add it. Now you can see if I click on it, it takes me right to that giveaway post, which is inside a Facebook group, which is also a genius hack because you can link straight to a post inside a group. If someone's not in the group, they are going to get the invite to join the group. But if they are already in the group, you're taking them straight to the post. And then you would just click the share to story button. Not too shabby. All right, my next idea for a helpful link would be, do you have a lead magnet? Okay, now I talk about lead magnets a lot on YouTube. Okay, so you can pop over to this video where I share a bunch of different ideas of a lead magnet you could create. But I have one that's 15 unbeatable social media posts and story ideas. So if you need help with this, I have it. You can check out the link in the description of this video to grab this guide, but it's a bunch of marketing tips. So for this one, maybe I'm just going to keep it simple and insert my avatar and just write, need some ideas, grab this guide, post that here, put that there, and then just paste in the link. So I'm going to grab that from my website. Here's the link. Copy that, pop over to Facebook, paste that in. I'm going to visit the link to make sure it's working. It is. It takes people right to my landing page to sign up for the guide, which is exactly what I want. I want to add that, and then I would click the share to story button. So that's a great way to provide value to people, get them on my email list, where if you don't know much about email marketing, check out this video on why email marketing is smart marketing. And then also check out this video that talks about a bunch of email marketing ideas. And so that's another option. All right. And then let's go into, what if you're working your business on other platforms? Now, for me, I work my business a lot on YouTube. So I'm always trying to get more subscribers. I hope you've hit that subscribe button for my channel as you're watching this video right now. But what I'm going to do with this story is grab a YouTube, grab this one, put it at the top there, and then I'm just going to ask, have you subscribed? Now this maybe isn't the best story I could make, but it's not the worst. On my YouTube channel, I provide lots of help with marketing. Let's make this black, and then I'm just going to enlarge it and then add an arrow. Use that one to direct people to the location, and then I would just add in my YouTube link, visit it to make sure the link isn't broken, it's working, perfect, and then I click add, and there again I have another story, and I would just click the share to story button. Or you can see me over here, I am clicking save, because right now in making this is a great way to batch some stories for content creation. I'm a huge believer in batching content. Okay, I'm going to give you two more. With YouTube is you could link straight to a playlist. Okay, so here's stories. So I could insert a link that went straight to the story tutorials that I have that help people with selling in stories. Or another idea is that I could link straight to a video. Now again, you can go to YouTube and do the same thing, but the kicker is you don't know who's clicking the link. Whereas when you insert the link straight from Facebook itself, Facebook is going to let you know who has swiped up and clicked the link. And so you have some insight. So for instance, for me, I started a new business this year. You can see the review of this company right here if you check out this video. And I could write some benefits of this, then I could put the link at the bottom. And it's a very simple way of people reaching out to me for my opportunity where I would find out who's actually interested in maybe clicking the video to watch. And then I could send them a follow-up message or that type of thing. So that is another way that you could add a link to your stories. If you have lots of different things and maybe you're just providing a lot of value to people, another idea with adding a link is simply adding in like a link tree. So if you have one, I made mine on Canva. There's lots of sites nowadays where you can build them and have them look really, really good. Let's get that together. And then you're going to see it turns blue. And then I visit the link. So here's my link tree. And I link to a lot of different things that I do business-wise. And so whatever I'm talking about, maybe I just want to point them here, right? So people can kind of choose what they want. Maybe it's the free app that pays. So you could check out Tapestry, or the Secrets of Social Selling course. So you could check out the Secrets of Social Selling, or whatever it is. Or you want a sneak peek of the pack membership, watch this video. Whatever it is, people have their pick. And so linking to your link tree is another idea of something that you could add to your Facebook story.
And that's it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Head on over to stephanieparisi.com to check out the Parisi Pack and Story Insiders, and I'll be back next week with another new video. In the meanwhile, check out either of these two videos that are popping up on the screen. They're here to help you win in your business.